Hello kids, welcome to Learn. In this video, I will help you to listen, learn and write in 3rd standard English, in 3rd unit, little by little poem, from that some of the writing work. Let us start to learn. First what you should do, write the index. In the index, write the date and the topic. Let us start. First concept, new words with meaning and usage. New words with meaning and usage. You can see in the picture some of the things related to the poem. So here what are the words I am going to give? I will relate with the picture also. It will be quite interesting, isn't it? See, first one, hidden, hidden, kept out of sight. You always play, hide and seek. Hide. Hide means kept out of sight. From the hide only the word came hidden. It is a past participle of hide. The seed hidden inside the ground because it is not easily seen because it is kept out of sight. Hidden, kept out of sight. In some other place, how we can use. Usage, there were hidden cameras in the room. Next new word, slowly, slowly, at a low or less speed. You can see in the picture, from the seed, the plant develops into a very big tree. How it happens? It happens very slowly. All of a sudden, it won't turn into a very big tree. Now, in some other place, how you can use. My grandfather was walking slowly in the park. Next one, downward, downward, meaning towards a lower place, towards a lower place. Suppose if a plant starts to grow, downward the root develops. The root first develops downward, then the shoot starts to grow or develop. Okay, so downward means towards a lower place. Use in sentence, I saw the aeroplane coming downward. So in some other place, how you can use downward. I saw the aeroplane coming downward. Next word, slender, slender. Slender means very thin. Slender means very thin. How you can use? The slender man asked me to help him. You can see in the picture, actually, a seed develops into a new plant. So how is the stem? It will be, the stem, it will be very thin. The stem, it will be very thin. So that is slender. That is called slender. Slender. Okay. Very thin. So in some other place, how you can use? The slender man asked me to help him. Okay, now the next new word. Mighty. Mighty. Powerful or strong. Powerful or strong. Use in sentence. The mighty king asked his servants to serve him food. Mighty means powerful or strong. So which one is powerful in the lesson we learned? Mighty oak. Mighty means strong. Strong oak tree. Next, new word, branches. Branches. It is a part of a tree. Usage. The branches of a banyan tree are very strong. The branches of a banyan tree are very strong. So branches means it is a part of a tree, isn't it? So you can see how you can identify. Suppose this is a part, this is a small plant. Suppose if a very big tree, so when it comes, this is called branches. This is called branches. Okay. Suppose a very big what is the leaves comes and again starts from that another one, that is called branch. Okay. Yes. Now the next new word, it is pride. 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 Pride means to be proud of something. To be proud of something. Usage. The parents of Raj glowed with pride. Pride means to be proud of something. Next new word, improving. Meaning to become better. Improving means to become better. Usage. The industrial system in India is improving. Now, next new word, sipped. Sipped. To drink something in small quantity. To drink something in small quantity. So this is what the picture actually. Now only I want to give. Okay, I hope you can understand. Sipped means to drink something in small quantity. In the poem it comes, sipped the dew. Dew means it is a water droplets in the early morning on the leaves and all will be. That is called dew. Okay. Here usage. I sipped coffee along with my friend. Okay. Now the next new word, shoot. Shoot. Meaning the upward growing parts of a plant are the upper parts of a plant. All together, that is called as shoot. Shoot. You can use in a sentence in this way. The shoot of a rose plant consists of leaves, stem, and flower buds. So if you see the parts of a plant above the ground, what are the parts all together? We can call as shoot. Okay. It is just opposite of root. Root, it will grow below the ground. Shoot, it will grow above the ground. Okay. Now, the next new concept is rhyming words for this lesson. So rhyming words means the words which ends with the same sound. First set of rhyming words. Set, bed. Day, away. Grew, dew. Root, shoot. Ear, appear. Wide, pride. Okay. Now the next new concept for this lesson is match the opposites. Match the opposites. You can see some of the set of words given. You should match from one side to the another side. So what is the opposite of downward? Upward. What is the opposite of downward? Upward. Next, slowly. What is the opposite of slowly? Fast. Fast. Next one, little. Big. Next one, slender. Slender. The opposite for slender, fat. Fat. Next one, mighty. Mighty. The opposite for mighty is weak. Next word, day. Opposite, night. I hope all of you had understood all these three concepts. Hope you will learn thoroughly. Happy learning. Keeps on smile and learn. Take care and bye.